Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2023 Fiat 500X? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems in your Fiat. Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block of the 2023 Fiat 500X houses various fuses for critical electrical systems. It includes fuses for the engine, lighting, and climate control systems, protecting against electrical overloads. Body computer fuse center. The body computer fuse center in the 2023 Fiat 500X manages electrical functions related to the vehicle's body systems, such as lighting and door locks. It contains fuses that protect components like the central locking system, power windows, and infotainment system. Rear cargo fuse box. The rear cargo fuse relay distribution unit in the 2023 Fiat 500X manages electrical connections for rear components, such as the tailgate and rear lighting. It includes fuses and relays that provide protection and control for accessories like the rear wiper and cargo lights.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.